Very good, my friend. For today's video, I have bought orbits to do an aluminium statue. We are going to prepare the orbits. I pour them in a bucket for 3 hours, and then we are going to melt some aluminium in the foundry, and we are going to pour the aluminium into the orbits. And then maybe we make a basement of wood to this statue. Let's see what we will get. Here is the pack of orbit that I bought on Amazon for 1.6 euros. I'm pouring them into the water, and then I'm going to wait at least 3 hours for them to get big. Orbits are ready. The orbits, also called water marbles, are bricks made out of high absorbent polymer. They were originally developed as a way of slowing the delivery of water to soil. They can increase its size by 100 times when are soaked in water. Now it's time to start the foundry to melt some aluminium. I start the fire and then I open the valve to let the compressed air get inside the foundry. I got some aluminium from scrap and put it inside the foundry in the crucible. What is happening there? Oh, the sound just stopped. Let's see what we got. Oh. Ah, shit, still hot. What the fuck? Why? It's full of water. There is water. Why? It's hot still. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that. So beautiful. Whoa, it's amazing. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, I really like it. Oh, look there. It's like there is something. Whoa, how cool is that? We can create a necklace. Whoa. It's still warm, the water, and has passed like 10 minutes. I'm going to make a hole there, and I'm going to make a necklace. I'm really impressed for the results. It's amazing. I'm going to make a basement so I have a sculpture for my desk. What are you doing, guy? Mr. White, are you getting bored of my video? I call this sculpture the Mars bonsai tree. Not my favorite color, but it's the bet I got. I had no plan to make a necklace, but I see this and I thought, well, why not? The climate in Spain is amazing. Look, it's February and I'm in short t-shirt. It's amazing. Remember, I'm doing whatever is needed to get to 1000 subscribers, so please, if you didn't subscribe yet, press the subscribe button just down here. And thank you for watching as always, and see you in next video.